Hello everyone, this video is going to show you how to add bookmarks and bookmark folders to organize it. So what you would want, if you have a lot of bookmarks, you can see up here on mine, I have them all in folders. So one of the easiest ways to do it is to, up on the bookmark bar in Chrome, you right click and you'll have this option of add folder, and then it brings up all your folders on your bookmarks bar and it says new folder. Let's just do, title this one Microsoft. I hit save, and then you see it pops up right there. Okay, and then if I have this Microsoft Office Home, I can just click on left click and hold, and then just drag it right over there, and there it is right there. The other way to do it is, let's say if you find a website that you don't have already and you like it, you want to star that. And that says, okay, where do you want that? Do you want that in this folder? Which folder you want? You can choose, go here and you can say, I want it in my Microsoft folder. So you can hit save, and it put 2 of those in there, okay? The other thing you can do is you can go over here to the more button, the 3 dots in the Chrome, go bookmarks, and you go to bookmark manager. And if you want to add a new one here, you can go add new folder. Then you can see it adds it here in the bookmark manager, and it's also up the top. Let's say I don't want that. I can just go up here, right click and delete it, or I can go down in the bookmark manager, click on the 3 dots and say delete it, and it goes away. Okay? So again, you can either, to save a bookmark, you can hit the star and then tell it where do you want to put that in your folder. If you want to just put it on the bookmarks bar, it'll save it right here, and it'll be there. If you want to move it to a folder, you can right click on the bar, add a folder, and then we can just click and drag those over and they'll be there. Or you can do everything in the bookmark manager, and in here, these 3 dots, you can import, export, add new bookmarks or folders. All right, hope that was helpful.